What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2012 Toyota Tacoma. This was the Extreme Off-Road Edition. This is our flip truck. We posted that thing for sale over on the Facebook Marketplace last night. I couldn't hardly get any sleep at all because my phone just blew up all night. We got contacted by a bunch of people, but the first one that said they wanted to come and look at it, they're on their way here today. They're going to check it out. Maybe they're going to buy it, maybe not, but we did schedule a time this afternoon for them to look. So we got a few things to do. We got to hurry up and get it done before they get here. But in this video, we will reveal the price, the total price, including parts. So we will tell you exactly how much we paid, exactly how much it cost for all the parts, for even taxes, paint, everything we got in it. And if y'all do remember from a few videos back, we did reveal the purchase price for this thing. If you remember, the high bid on it was $12,400. And then we had some Copart fees, some broker fees that added up to $1,763. And then we had it shipped to us, which was also $464. So if you add all of that up, this is what you get. It's $14,627. Let's hop out here. Let's get this done. Let's get these vent shades put on. We got a couple of things to do before they get here to check it out. We'll catch back up with you, reveal some more pricing. So we are here in our little flip truck. We are headed out to meet a potential buyer for this thing. And you know what? Maybe they'll buy it. Maybe they won't. They are on their way, and we're definitely going to let them see it. But this might be the last video that we have on this truck. So I did want to let everybody know how much money that we had in it and how much that we sell it for, so you can see if we made a profit or not. And that's exactly what we're going to do. What we got to do real quick before the fella comes to look at it is I do have the new vent shades. We got to get those stuck on there. I should have already had that done, but we've just been really busy, and that's okay. We'll get them stuck on there really quick. This truck is really nice. I know they're going to love it. So let's just see what they say. Man, this truck looks really good. She is a beautiful truck. We're here, we're waiting on a guy to come look at it. I got to stick the old vent shades on here real quick. So I did bring me some alcohol wipes. And I got the vent shades here. So I'm gonna pull it up here in the shade a little bit, get that stuck on, and then we'll talk some more about the parts and how much we got in this thing. And hopefully this guy will buy it, and we can buy something else really nice for the channel. Man, I just barely got that vent shade on before they got here. I think they really like it. I mean, who don't? It's a beautiful truck. I like it. I mean, we all in love with it. So they driving it down the road. I don't know if they're gonna buy it, but I did want to get back with y'all on the parts to let you know exactly what we got in this thing. So I wrote it all down. Hope you don't mind. I might cheat just a little bit. But what we got, we had $250 in the rear bumper, $299 in the front bumper, $115 in the steering knuckle, $99 in the mirror, $299 in the grill up front, $119 for the wheel spacers, $79 for the vent shades that was broke off that I just installed a few minutes ago, $65 for an alignment. We had $478 in that 10 color mix of paint and clear coat that we had. And then we had about $400 in primer, sealer, shop supplies, and stuff like that, which made a grand total of $1,903 in our expenses on this truck. So if you add that up, this is what you get. Our $14,627 cost when we unloaded, $1,903 in parts and material, makes $16,530. But we don't get to stop there because, like everybody else in the United States of America, we do have to pay our sales tax. So we had to pay $1,020 for tax, title, and tag for this thing, because we got to do that because we're going to pay our fair share. Everybody does, which made a grand total of $17,550 that we had in this truck. So they did bring it back. And you still see it here and you're thinking, well, they didn't buy it. Well, guess what? They didn't buy it. But they loved it so much, they gave me a deposit. They're going to the bank tomorrow to get the rest of the money. So y'all stay tuned and we'll let you know how much we got out of it. And then you can let us know if we made a good decision when we bought it or not. So stay tuned. We'll catch back up with you tomorrow in the afternoon. So, and that was it. Y'all just seen the beautiful flip truck go down the road. Man, a guy just bought it. He loved it so much. He loved watching our videos. He loved this truck. He's gonna take really good care of it. I know he likes it a lot. And the final price that he paid for this truck was $21,500. So that gave us a net profit of $3,950. So I'll let you be the judge. Put it in the comments below if you think that was a good deal, or if you think, you know, I think that maybe I clicked the button a little bit too hard and got us in this thing a little bit too deep. But you know what? That gets us another one, gets us on the hunt again to find something fantastic for this channel. I do think that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. We appreciate you watching. Leave us a comment. Until next time, we're out.